same forever, so hold me closer, 'cause we still have some time. Can't see the water past the vapor skies, but boy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my daily cleaning routine. These are 10 things that I do every single day to help me keep a really nice, clean, organized home. If you'd like to follow along with my daily cleaning routine, definitely have this video running in the background. Grab something to drink or even grab your cleaning supplies and let's tackle this together. Cleaning is definitely not one of my strong points, so I really had to come up with some sort of routine, some sort of system to help me want to clean and help me to follow so that I will be able to maintain a really nice space and not have a lot of clutter build up. I think that having a daily cleaning routine can significantly enhance your quality of life, and it helps to maintain a tidy and organized home, reduce stress, and create a more pleasant and aesthetic living environment. And by addressing small tasks every day, you can prevent so much dirt and clutter from accumulating. If you guys know, and if you're single, if you're living alone, you can know how much things start to accumulate everywhere, and it seems like if it's good in one moment and the next minute you look around and it is just out of control. So that is why I have been doing this little daily routine, this little cleaning session to make it less daunting. Something that was so hard for me to get into doing was washing my dishes, and I feel like if it's because when you're living alone, then you realize that there's nobody else to wash it for you, it's just you. There's always something in the sink, and I feel like if that really overwhelmed me, but now I've made it such a habit. I wash my dishes before I go to sleep to just make sure that my kitchen does not have dirty dishes in the morning. I've really started realizing seeing a pile of dirty dishes is just not it. So that has been something that I have been really consistent doing, and it's something that I think should be on your daily cleaning list. I know it might seem like obviously wash your dishes, but let me just say sometimes when you just have one spoon in the sink, you're just not motivated to wash it, and then that one spoon piles up into like plates, cups, and just a pile of dishes. So be sure to have this as part of your daily routine.
You miss me. Just don't see the words, right place, wrong time. Counting every second that you kiss me. Couldn't see the signs, but boy, I've seen those eyes before. I counted off all four. I want it, I got it, wish I could flaunt it like the old. I feel myself wanting more. Oh, you got me sweating. Find us in between the sheets. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer.
So once I've tackled my dishes, my next step is to clean down the counter of any food items, seasoning, pots, pans that I would have used in my cooking process, making dinner, lunch, whatever meal I was making. I like to clear down everything and give my counters a really nice good clean. Countertops can be one of the busiest surfaces in our homes, and it comes into contact with a variety of foods, liquids, and other materials that can actually cause bacteria and germs to build up. Also, having a clean counter can prolong the life of your surfaces, and of course the longer you leave your countertops, the more buildup it has and the harder it is to clean, and we don't want that. When my kitchen is put away and my countertops are all cleaned and wiped down, there's just something so satisfying about that spotless and organized space, and it can really give you peace of mind. Something that I wanted to share with you is that I finally got a utensil holder that I really loved. When I first did my kitchen haul 3 years ago, when I started living on my own, I got this really pretty pink one, but I did not like the plastic holder it came in, and I finally got this gorgeous ceramic one. It is so pretty. I actually love the kitchen utensils woods on it. I think it looks so vintage, and I'm transferring everything into the new holder, and it's just something that made me really happy, and I wanted to share it with you. This might not be a cleaning habit, but it's definitely a daily habit that I've been sticking to, and that is refilling my water so that I will resist the urge to buy plastic water bottles. There is nothing more annoying when my water finishes and the pitcher is empty. So that is something that I've been really consistent with, making sure that it is filled after every single use. Next up, I'm just going to clear down any surfaces that I have. So that will be like my kitchen island as well as my little dining table nook. There are so many things that pile up throughout the day and I just randomly put them on all of my surface areas, and I know that you guys can probably relate to that. And then before you know it, the entire thing is just cluttered. But by incorporating this routine into my daily cleaning habit, it avoids that build up and unnecessary clutter, and that being the first thing that you see when you come into my space. A simple thing like putting my rice into my rice holder. I've been putting it off forever and it's just been sitting on my counter, so I wanted to take care of that immediately. And honestly, it's all about just tackling those things that you have been always putting off, because those are the things that tend to add and contribute to the most clutter.
Perfect Sunday on the blues. We looked happy, but I was going through it, yeah. All my senses, really nowhere. Set to end it, but I was leaving you and picking daisies, contemplating. Cause you say things, but never really do, yeah. You're never pulling through for me. My intuition's always right.
And of course, if you're a cat owner, then you know that the moment your countertops, your island, just any surface is all cleared down, it is the perfect opportunity for your cat to come and sit on top of it.
It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed at my place to stay in my way. You said you love me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for you's in vain. Cause that's just what I get. My intuition's always right. Don't happen other than every night. I had your back, but you just proved me wrong. You proved me wrong. You proved it. Then everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed at my place to stay in my way. You said you love me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for.
Another habit is removing and picking up all of the clothes that might just be around. Sometimes you come home and you just throw your jacket somewhere, or you wake up and you throw your robe somewhere, and then those things just sit there. So pick those things up, hang up what you need to hang up, put what you need to put in the laundry basket, and just clear off all of the clothes that you may have lying around, especially on that chair. You all know that we have one of those chairs where we just throw random clothes upon. So yeah, definitely take note to get these things done. This is what I like to call a general pickup, like moving all of the clothes, as well as if you're a cat owner or have a pet, you know that toys can get pretty out of hand. So I have a toy basket that looks really nice. It fits in with my decor really nicely. And at the end of each day, I like going around to put in all of my cat's toys because it literally can add up. And I feel like if every time I put them away, when I turn around, there's some new toy laying out again. It's just the craziest thing ever. Something else I like doing is just making sure that my couch is all nice and fluffed up. I think I want to get new pillows to change up the decor a little bit. I've had this exactly like this for the last 3 years, so it's something I want to do. I'm also just tidying up my ottoman a little bit, just doing a little general tidy so that everything looks really good. Of course, everyone knows about this. I don't even have to say it, but making your bed is like a daily habit that you should incorporate into your life. So when you come home and you go into your bedroom, the first thing you see is that immaculately made up bed that is so inviting, instead of having a ton of clothes and clutter and just your sheets are unmade and your pillows are the exact same way from the night before. Again, this is not one of my favorite things to do, but I've been incorporating it into my daily cleaning habits and in my daily routine so that it naturally becomes a part of my lifestyle. So that was my goal of making a video like this, just doing little things every single day to make your space look and feel really good and give you a peace of mind, a sense of clarity, and reduce all of that unnecessary clutter that can build up over time. Okay, so earlier in this video, we washed the dishes and you might be tempted to leave it out. But again, this adds so much clutter to your counter space. So a great way is to wash the dishes, put them to drain, do what you need to do. And at the end of the night, right before you go to sleep, when you want to pack away your kitchen, you can just put away all of your dishes. So that is not the first thing that you see as well. And there is not dishes just piling up over time, because obviously the more dishes that you leave there, the more dishes you're going to have to put away, if that makes sense. So it's best to just put them away immediately so you won't be faced with something that is very, very daunting and that makes you feel overwhelmed. If you're a cat owner, then you know that there's fur all over your place at any given time. It is the craziest thing ever. And I have a medium haired cat and she sheds like crazy. So I love running my robo vacuum. This one sweeps, well, vacuums and mops. I don't do it every day, but I would do it every other day because this really helps keep the fur at bay. Not all the time I would want to be using a broom or going in with a handheld vacuum. This is really convenient because when I'm putting away the rest of my home and just cleaning up, even taking a shower, my robo vacuum is running. It is doing the work for me. And that's why I really like this little routine of putting it on while I get to do my things and it gets to take care of all of that fur. And last up, this might not be for everyone, but if you have a cat, then you need to have cleaning the litter. I know it's one of the more daunting tasks. I blurred it out so you guys will not be like traumatized, but cleaning the litter is something that I definitely had to take priority in my daily routine, because obviously you don't want your cats to get sick or start not using your litter box. So I just included that in there because I never see cat owners show this as part of their cleaning routine. So I decided to just share it in here if you can relate.
So far it's been so hard to live, but lately something in me changed.
So once I've finished all of that cleaning, I love lighting some candles. Having candles on makes me feel so good. It's one of my comfort things. I love the way it makes my space smell, and of course it's even better now that everything is nice and clean. I hope that you enjoyed my daily cleaning routine and schedule. I hope that it inspires you. I hope that you maybe was cleaning along with me. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it and if you want to see more videos like these, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.